exercise 3. It's a guessing game. Just to kind of explain what I'm doing. So I had to import the random and the scanner on this one. Got the public class and all that good stuff. Then we have a random generator right here. Just new random, labeled it random. New scanner, named SCNR. Made an integer guess. Integer perm rand is what it stands for. Character for user care. And integer for low assigned it 1. Integer for high and assigned it 10,000. Perm rand. So the random number, basically, that's all it is. I entered the range right here. So we're going to get a number from 1 to 10,000. I assigned the user care. I guess I could have put it as Y up here now that I'm looking at it, but that's what I did right there. Then I have a few while. Well, I have one while and then just kind of nested some if-else statements in it. So the while I started off with is user care equals Y. All I'm doing with this is just making it so if certain conditions are met, it will keep on going. So obviously it starts with Y, so it's going now. It first starts off with entering the guess, like it prompts the user to enter the guess from the low number of 1 at the start, little dash, and a high of 10,000. Then it has a scanner for the guess. It assigns it, or it assigns guess to the scanner, whatever they input. Then it goes into some nested if statements. And I mean, it's a little extra, but this is what I thought would work better. The if statement is, so the guess that they enter, if it is equal to or higher than the low, which starts off with 1, and the guess that they enter, if it's higher than or lower than and equal to the high of 10,000, which it starts off with. These are constantly changing through the program, and that's just majority of the guessing game right here. I'll go through that in a second. The main reason I put this if is so I can have this else right here. Basically saying that it is an invalid number that's not within range, just so it doesn't waste people's time, doesn't change anything, and also assigns it Y, so the while statement still keeps on going. That's all that really is, that if and else statement. This if statement is the guessing game. So it takes the guess. If it is higher than the random, then it will tell the user that it's lower. So like, go lower. Then it will keep on, it will assign it to Y, the user cares, so we keep on doing the while statement. And then it assigns the high, which puts the range, changes the range to whatever they guessed. Let's say the else if statements will make it so if the guess is lower than the random number, it'll prompt that it's higher and assigns it Y again for same purposes. Then it will assign low to whatever they guessed. The else if statement is just if they get it correct, as we can see equals. Then it will prompt the winner, and then it ends the loop by assigning it to N, since it's not equal to Y. And yeah, that's pretty much how it is. I already clicked run. So as you can see, it says enter guess. Say 5,000. It's lower. Changes 10,000 to 5,000. So let's do 2,500. It's lower than that. So let's say 10,000. It's just cute, and then that'll change the low to that. Keeps on updating the range. Now let's say I put in something that's not within the range. It's invalid number. Please enter within range, and then it says that again.